But let's shift focus to the commodity markets now. Manisha Gupta, commodities editor, is here. She's going to tell us about that one commodity that she's tracking today. Hi Manisha, what do you have on your list?
Sonia, thank you for that. I'm watching rubber because it has been very volatile, and we have seen a 4-month highs in the earlier global markets today in sense of that commodity. The Indian prices are trading at a 2-month highs as well, but it really has to do with the Chinese data, whether it has been the factory productivity, the retail sales, asset investment, all of that has seen a decline, and that really seems to be impacting the rubber prices at this point in time. But when you look at the fundamentals, those clearly are on the positive side. The supply concerns are there because of the fungal disease that has been reported from the growing areas. Also the tripartite, when you look at Malaysia, Indonesia and Thailand, they are the major producers for rubber. 70% of rubber actually comes in from there, and they have put out a figure saying that 8 lakh tons of an output fall is what they are expecting for 2019. Also, when you look at the global numbers in sense of production and consumption, between Jan to July, the natural rubber output has declined by 7%, while the demand has gone up by 0.8%, and that has been supportive. In the Indian markets as well, we have seen demand from stockists come by now. The last couple of quarters were not so good, but there is some buying coming in now, and that has been supportive for the rubber prices. The tapping also has been hindered many times in the last 6 months because of the constant rainfall in Kerala. That has taken the prices higher. And then you also are looking at prices come back from the kind of lows that we saw in this year at around 120 to 122, and we have seen 131 has come in the markets yesterday. So there has been this considerable increase that you have seen coming in for the rubber prices. Trading strategies is what we have on the buy side as well from SMC. They have a buy in case of gold. 38,350 is what they're watching for the day today. It's a buy continuing in case of the crude oil prices also, especially the depreciating rupee. That also seems to be cushioning the prices, and we have seen support coming in because of that. 4,195 is what you could see in case of crude as well during the day today.
Thanks much Manisha for that. And with that we have to take a break. You're going to come back.